Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to give you this walk-around video on this T6.1 Transporter Highline in the stunning colour copper bronze. This is a prestige spec, which is the highest spec that we build, and the van has only done 5,000 miles. We've got in a standard or prestige rib bed, Starry Night ceiling. We've got the sink hob, fridge. This has got the two single seats, captain seats, swivel. Also got a TV, DVD player installed on this, as well as the Eberspacher heater. We've also got the Fiamma F45 Awning, which can wind out for cover, as well as the awning rail built into the front. This is a tailgate model. In the rear we've got reversing camera, as well as front and rear sensors, and a Towbar. Exterior styling on this as well, with the black alloys, black sidebars, and that beautiful gold copper bronze colour. We've also got a stone shaped deflector on the front bonnet as well, which can be removed, but does actually give a bit more detail to the van. This was converted from brand new, and the owner unfortunately had a change in health, couldn't use it as much as he'd hoped, and only did 5,000 miles in 3 years. Thanks very much for watching.